Welcome back. Now the page that we have been working with has a video player on it. However, what would happen if this video player was not here and we needed to add in a video? So for the sake of this video, we are going to then delete this video player. We're then going to click OK. We're then going to click Save. So now what we have is we have an opt-in page. However, we don't have a working video. So we want to add in a video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come back to this section. We're going to add in a section right here where it says add a new section, and we're going to click this plus button. And what we want to do is we want to add in a full width section. So we are now building this section, and so now what we want to do is we want to click add a new row. And we're going to build in a one column row, and we're going to click one column. Our row is now built, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a new element. We're going to click add new element, and we're going to scroll down, and we're then going to click video. And so now our video is then back. So what we're going to do now is we're now going to customize this video, and we're going to click the settings. And so what we're going to do is we're going to now add in a video embed, and we're going to get that video from YouTube. So what we're going to do now is we're going to change this video type to YouTube. We're going to place in our YouTube URL. We're then going to determine how we want the YouTube video to appear. And we want it to autoplay. We don't want the controls to show. We don't want any branding. And we want it to autoplay. And so what we're going to do now is we have now completed what we want. And so we're now going to click Save. Now it's important to note before you do a preview that in some cases your preview will not show properly for a minute or two, and typically ClickFunnels will give you a message and tell you when your changes will actually appear. So once you have waited perhaps a minute or maybe two, you will then want to preview your page. And then you'll see your auto playing video. So we've now added video to our page. Now it's quite possible that what we want to do is we want to add in audio instead. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this section, and we're going to delete out our video. We're now going to add in a new element, and what we're going to do is we're going to add in an audio player. And now that we have this audio player, we're going to go to the settings. And now what we want to do is we want to access an audio file, and we want to place that URL here in this dialog box. So you're going to place the URL. You'll determine then your controls and autoplay, and then you'll click Save. You'll click Save again. Then ClickFunnels will give you a message as to when your updates will appear. We now see our audio player, and we'll then click Preview, and our audio auto plays. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.